What if one of the most important organs in your body was sending out warning signs and you were missing them completely? Think of it like the most dedicated, silent worker in your body's entire company. It never asks for a raise, never takes a day off, just quietly gets the job done behind the scenes. But when it gets overworked and inflamed, it can kick off a whole chain of serious health problems. I am talking about your pancreas, and right now it could be struggling. But what if I told you that you could start to soothe the inflammation, reduce the strain, and help protect this vital organ for the long haul, starting today? What if the answer was as simple as adding 7 powerful, delicious, and easy-to-find foods to your diet? Stick with me, because you are about to uncover the exact foods that can act like a rescue mission for your pancreas. So before we get to the food, let's quickly cover why your pancreas is so incredibly important. Think of your pancreas as a sophisticated processing plant inside your body, running 2 critical production lines 24/7 that you absolutely cannot live without. First, it runs the demolition department. It produces powerful enzymes that act like a specialized crew, breaking down the food you eat. Imagine them taking a complex wall of food and carefully dismantling it into individual bricks, the fats, proteins, and carbs, so your body can actually absorb and use them for fuel. Without them, you'd be looking at indigestion, bloating, and malnutrition, no matter how healthy you think you're eating. Second, it controls how your body uses fuel. The pancreas makes insulin, which is a well-known hormone that acts like a key to open the door to your body's cells. This lets sugar, which is your body's major source of energy, get in and provide you energy. If that system becomes messed up, your blood sugar can get out of control, which can lead to insulin resistance, prediabetes, and finally type 2 diabetes. When this hardworking factory is constantly flooded with the wrong materials, usually from a diet high in processed foods, bad fats, and sugar, its systems overload. This leads to inflammation, a condition called pancreatitis. This isn't just a small issue. It's like the factory's fire alarm blaring, a desperate signal that it's overworked and needs immediate support. But here's the good news. What you eat has a massive impact. You can ease its burden and give it the support it needs to recover. And it all starts with the right foods. Let's get into the 7 superfoods that can help repair your pancreas. Superfood 1. Leafy greens. First up are the protectors. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. You already know they're good for you, but they are especially brilliant for your pancreas. Here's why. Your pancreas is really vulnerable to damage from something called oxidative stress. Think of this damage like biological rust that corrodes your cells from the inside out. Well, leafy greens are absolutely loaded with antioxidants, which act like a powerful rust-proof spray, shielding those pancreatic cells and calming the fires of inflammation. By getting more greens in your diet, you're basically giving your pancreas a suit of armor against daily stress. You're giving it the defensive tools it needs to do its job, without constantly being on high alert. Plus, they're rich in B vitamins and iron, which are vital for overall metabolic health. Don't overcomplicate it. The easiest trick is to toss a big handful of spinach into a smoothie. You won't even taste it. Try to have a big salad with lunch, or lightly saute some kale with garlic as a side for dinner. Superfood 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Next, we have the cruciferous crew. Think broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. These veggies are serious multitaskers for pancreatic health. Their secret weapon is a set of unique compounds, including flavonoids like apigenin and luteolin, which have been studied for their protective effects on pancreatic tissue. Some research suggests these compounds may even help protect against cellular damage, offering a powerful layer of defense. On top of that, these vegetables are incredibly high in fiber. Fiber is your pancreas's best friend because it acts like a traffic cop for sugar. It slows down digestion, ensuring sugar enters your bloodstream at a safe, steady speed instead of causing a chaotic pileup. This prevents a sugar rush, which means your pancreas doesn't have to work overtime, sounding the alarm and pumping out a flood of insulin. This gives the organ a much-needed break, allowing it to recover and work more efficiently. To get the most out of them, try steaming or roasting broccoli and cauliflower with a drizzle of olive oil. Shredded raw cabbage is a fantastic, crunchy addition to salads and tacos. Superfood 3. Berries. Moving on to something a little sweeter, let's talk berries. Blueberries, cherries, strawberries, and even pomegranates are more than just a tasty treat. They are antioxidant powerhouses. They get those beautiful, rich colors from compounds called anthocyanins. These are potent antioxidants that specifically help shield the cells in your pancreas from damage. In fact, studies have shown that diets rich in these compounds are linked to a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes, a condition tied directly to the health of your pancreas. Think of the antioxidants in berries as a dedicated security team for your pancreatic cells. They patrol your system, actively neutralizing the troublemakers, the free radicals, that cause stress and inflammation. This is so important for helping your pancreas recover and for preventing future issues. Cherries, in particular, also contain a compound called parallel alcohol, which has been noted in some studies for its pancreas-protecting properties. And the best part is how easy they are to eat. Grab a handful of fresh berries for a snack, sprinkle them on oatmeal or low-fat yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie. Superfood 4. Beans and lentils. Foods like chickpeas, kidney beans, black beans, and all types of lentils are exceptionally good for your pancreas. One of the biggest stressors for the pancreas is a diet high in animal fat, especially from red and processed meats. Digesting those fats is like forcing your pancreas enzyme factory to work a grueling triple shift, leaving it exhausted. Beans and lentils are the perfect alternative. They're full of high-quality, lean protein that your body can use for repair, but they're like a calm, standard, 8-hour workday for your pancreas, effective without the burnout. And, of course, they are loaded with fiber. Just like with cruciferous veggies, this fiber is key for keeping your blood sugar stable. It slows down sugar absorption, preventing the dramatic spikes that exhaust your pancreas. Including beans and lentils in your diet is a cornerstone of better blood sugar control and easing the burden on your pancreas. It's easy to work them in. Make a hearty lentil soup, toss chickpeas into your salad, or swap ground meat for black beans and chili. Superfood 5. Whole grains. Let's talk carbs, the right kind of carbs. I am talking about whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and barley. Refined carbs, things like white bread, white pasta, and sugary breakfast cereals, are stripped of their fiber. They hit your bloodstream like a sugar bomb, forcing your pancreas into emergency mode to release a flood of insulin. Doing that day in and day out is a recipe for pancreatic burnout. Whole grains, however, still have all their natural fiber. That fiber acts like a sophisticated braking system, ensuring sugar enters your bloodstream slowly and steadily. This keeps your energy levels stable and, more importantly, it stops your pancreas from getting overworked. Just by making this simple swap, you can dramatically reduce the daily strain on this vital organ, which is a key part of any diet designed to support the pancreas. Start your day with a bowl of steel-cut oats instead of a sugary cereal. Choose brown rice or quinoa as a base for your meals instead of white rice. And look for breads where whole wheat is the very first ingredient. Superfood 6. Garlic. This next one is a flavor-packed protector that's been used in medicine for centuries. Garlic. Garlic is so much more than a seasoning. It contains beneficial compounds, like allicin, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Since pancreatitis is essentially your pancreas on fire with inflammation, garlic acts like a coolant for an overheating engine, helping to dial down the heat and prevent damage. But garlic's benefits might not stop there. Some research suggests garlic may also play a role in helping the pancreas do its job of producing insulin. Studies indicate it might help the body regulate blood sugar, possibly by improving insulin sensitivity in your cells. This 1-2 punch of fighting inflammation and supporting blood sugar control makes garlic a fantastic addition to a pancreas-friendly diet. The best way to use it is fresh. Add minced or crushed garlic to your savory dishes like soups, stews, and stir-fries. Quick tip: let crushed garlic sit for a few minutes before you cook with it to maximize the formation of its healthy compounds. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you want to get more engaged, I'm excited to inform you that we now offer channel membership. As a member, you'll pay a small monthly fee and unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. It's a fantastic way to support the channel and connect with us even more. Just click the join button and let's make this experience even better together. Superfood 7. Fermented foods. Finally, let's talk about your gut. The health of your gut and your pancreas are deeply connected. Think of your gut as the foundation of your entire body's health. If the foundation is unstable and unhealthy, it creates problems for the whole house, causing low-grade inflammation everywhere, including the pancreas. This is where fermented foods come in. Foods like plain, low-fat yogurt with live active cultures, kefir, and even small amounts of sauerkraut are rich in probiotics. These good bacteria are like a construction crew that comes in to repair and solidify that foundation. A healthier gut does a better job of absorbing nutrients and helps keep body-wide inflammation in check. So by supporting your gut, you're indirectly supporting your pancreas by lowering its overall inflammatory burden. When you're picking out yogurt or kefir, just make sure to grab the plain, unsweetened kind. Added sugars will only stress the pancreas, which defeats the purpose. You can always add your own fresh berries for a little natural sweetness. These 7 foods are incredibly powerful, but they work best when they're part of the bigger picture. To truly support your pancreas, you need to lighten its overall workload. That means staying hydrated with plenty of water. It means eating smaller, more frequent meals. Think of it this way. Eating a huge meal is like dropping a mountain of paperwork on your pancreas desk all at once. Eating smaller meals is like feeding that work through in manageable batches, which keeps the workflow smooth and stress-free. And it means you have to actively limit or avoid the foods that cause the most stress. Fried foods, heavily processed snacks, full-fat dairy, sugary drinks, and alcohol, which is a major known trigger for pancreatitis. The main takeaway here is that you have a huge amount of control over the health of this vital organ. You don't have to wait for it to send out distress signals. By making conscious choices to bring these foods into your life, you're taking proactive steps every single day to reduce inflammation, ease your pancreas workload, and protect it for years to come. Your body will thank you for it. And as always, please remember this information is for educational purposes only. It should never replace advice from a qualified healthcare professional. If you have a pre-existing condition like pancreatitis or are experiencing symptoms, it is crucial to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a plan that is safe and right for you. For some conditions like acute pancreatitis, reintroducing food must be done under medical supervision. If this video helped you understand your body a little better, please give it a thumbs up and type yes in the comments. For more deep dives into how you can use nutrition to optimize your health, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these foods are you already eating, or which one are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. Your journey could easily inspire someone else. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.